Whoa, guys. Look at it go. Kitty, I don't know what to think about that. See how it fixes itself? So it don't get stuck. That's cool. Hey, so this is not a free product or paid product video review. I just wanted to give an honest review of this new Roomba vacuum I just got in. It is the 104. I purchased this one to replace my old Roomba that I bought about 7 years ago, and it finally just died. I chose deliberately to get the one without the dustbin because in my other Roomba, the process of emptying the dustbin into the wall container was just so loud that I thought I would go ahead and just try one without the automatic emptying. Plus, I've sized down in my home, so I really didn't see a need for such a large dust container. So anyway, so this is it, the Roomba 104. First thing I want to say is this is a very sturdy box. It's wonderfully packaged. There were no dings, there were no tears in the cardboard. I feel really comfortable with the way this was delivered. It says grab here and pull. That's it. Box is empty. Wow, that was easy. That's nice. Not having to tear open 97 different packages. And it gives you all the step-by-steps after you take it out and putting the bristle in and setting up the charging and doing your home app. And I guess there's some retainers here that I need to remove. So all that's on there. No sheets of paper that you have to look for. Really heavy cardboard. So this is the wall charger. I'll try not to make this video too long. It's in good order. No cracks, no scratches, so that's good. And the power cord. No scratches, no cuts in the integrity of the power cord. Again, that's good. So, looks like this just plugs in right here on the back side. And then, I don't know if you can see it, there's a little channel here to pull your cord through so that it doesn't make it stick out from the wall. So that's set up. Let's go ahead and plug that in. Excuse me. Give me just a second. I had to change the channel that I ran the cord through because my outlet's on the other side. It does come with an instruction book. And here is your little sweeper unit. Nice, real thick formed box to keep it from getting banged up during shipping. And, real heavy duty plastic bag that it's sealed up in. So these must be the things that I need to remove. So I'll go ahead and remove those. And I believe it said there was one more, but I don't see another one. There is some protective film here. And some protective film here across the sensor. And the little brush just snaps on right here. That was easy enough. I should probably, oh, another little, that must be the other thing. Push down on that to pull the dustbin out. It comes with a little cleaner to clean your filter. That's nice. Oh, that's a little razor blade that you can use to cut any hair that's got tangled. That's nice. My other one didn't have that. And you just push down on this, I think. Yeah, lift that up. That's a nice big dustbin. For as small as my house is now, that should be plenty big. Seems to have a nice firm seal on it. Okay, here goes the tricky part. The other one I got rid of quit recognizing the charging base after I replaced the internal device on it that Roomba sent me. So, I don't know, we'll see. So we're gonna line this up here. I'm assuming these two metal contacts. I could be entirely wrong. They seem to make good contact with it, and as soon as I did that, the light came on. So, probably doesn't have enough power in it to do anything, so it's gonna have to charge up a little bit. I'll quit pushing the buttons. And I'll let you know how quiet it is.
Charging.
That's pretty nice. It tells me, yes, it's charging, so I got it in the right place. So anyway, I'll let you know how quiet it is. And hopefully it will be as good as my other Roomba, but just maybe a little bit quieter. Thanks for watching.
That's a lot of stuff. How did it just go past that? It passed it. Skip that. Oh, we got that little piece. All that stuff stuck on there. And I got a bunch of junk here. Let's see if it gets this stuff. See what it does. I got kids, so excuse my house. But that's the reason why I got a Roomba. I don't know. I like it. You ready? Uh-oh.
Alexa, tell Linda to clean the floors.
Okay, here's our robot home. Okay, Linda has started vacuuming.
This is my quick demonstration of the iRobot Roomba 692. Before I go ahead and get started, I want to showcase that I've kind of cleared the area. I've noticed a quick issue with this robot vacuum is it sometimes can get caught on, say, computer cords or iPhone cords that are hanging around, so it's important to clear that out first. You can go ahead and activate it using the mobile app on your phone, or you can use the on button right there at the top. The app is helpful for, say, scheduling what time of day you want the robot to go ahead and clean your space. The robot will also get to know your space over time, and there is even open source software, so you can go ahead and edit the code if you see fit. For the sake of this demonstration, I'm going to just go ahead and manually turn it on.
Oh, I just saw. I was recording it.
Charging.
Wow!
Recalibrating location.
Yeah. That one.
Okay, so there is my little robot that helps me clean. As you could tell, it really doesn't knock anything over. It might move it, but look how detailed it is. You see it? I have stuff everywhere, and it literally just maneuvers around it, finds the dirt, and picks it up.